First, can I just have everyone put their hands together for all the teams who worked so hard for the last 2 weeks. This is super exciting. I mean, we still have another month of the program to go, but it's been a month and a half, and we've had an incredible opportunity working with all of them. We're going to continue to work with them, and we're excited to hopefully get all of you along with us in this journey that we're on, and I hope you enjoyed those presentations. Before we go, I want to just tell you a little bit about what we've been doing here at Brinc, if that's okay.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Well,
just help teams.
Last time, Manat took like 2 hours presenting a 5 minutes idea, so can you do it in 5?
I'll try.
Can we put a timer? Go.
All right, I'm gonna start with. So at Brinc, we're super excited. We've been building a lot of infrastructure over the last few years. This is going to be my rapid fire update of the last year. And we're super excited to build this infrastructure with all of you, all of our partners here in Hong Kong, because we think with this infrastructure, we can support a wide array of companies from all over the world. So let me tell you what we've been doing here in Hong Kong. In collaboration with Artisan as our main kind of partner here, we've had a lot of exciting activities. The first, actually, with the Hong Kong government in January, we hosted the Internet of Life Summit, which was focused on really helping people learn about the value of connectivity and what the internet would do as it penetrated every aspect of our lives. We also made our largest number of investments. We invested in 22 companies this year. It's been very exciting. This was our first batch, as well as the second batch that you guys have seen. We also launched the Brinc Food Technology Program that was focused on investing in clean meats and plant-based alternates, basically alternate proteins that were here to support this entire new industry and build a better food supply. We did this in collaboration with Just, which is a $1 billion company in the US that has built out eggless eggs. I want to show you a quick video about this. I'm moving as fast as I can. So we're actually in the process of reviewing new food applications right now for our food technology program, and we're hopefully going to announce all of our investment decisions before the end of the year. This is going to be super exciting as we work to build a more sustainable food supply. Then in China, I can't even tell you how much work this was. All the Connect team has been working non-stop to really support this activity. The T-Hero competition, which we pulled in hundreds and hundreds of applications around the world, hosted countless events, and actually starting next week, we're going to be bringing the finalists to Guangzhou. Next Monday to Wednesday, we're hosting the Guangzhou Innovation Festival, which is an incredible opportunity for foreign founders to learn more about China. This is in collaboration with the China government. Our service arm in China also started working with a wide array of additional companies on product development, R&D, manufacturing, supply chain, as well as debt financing. Then we opened in the Middle East, and we opened one of the most beautiful offices I've ever seen. We were super excited. We never thought it would turn out like this. We inaugurated earlier this year, and it's an incredible location, open and ready to support startups from all over the world. If any of you have a chance to go out to Bahrain, please do come visit the location. We've also made our first 6 investments in the Middle East, and we're excited to continue to grow that as we progress. Then we expanded out to Europe, and we opened in Poland with a number of incredible partners. We set up a small location, actually in a co-working space, and that's since grown, but also a beautiful location in Poznan. We've built a new team between Poznan, Berlin, as well as Warsaw, and we also ran our first set of 6 investments. We also had the opportunity to collaborate with another venture partner, Arkley, and launched our first venture fund to help all of our teams get more follow-on capital. And a little bit of exciting news. Just last week, we have agreed with the Indian government in Cochin to expand out to the Indian market, and we'll be opening up in Q1. So it's been, as you know, a very crazy, busy year. Still have 30 seconds. Not only this, all of our previous teams have also showcased incredible traction. Soundbrenner, as Harry mentioned, has raised over $500,000 in their crowdfunding campaign. GeoMio just signed a partnership with Google X. Habibi Garden has just gone out and raised a couple $100,000, as well as is doing $200,000 every month in revenue. In the last 6 months. And as you've seen, all of our teams here, as they progress, it takes a little bit of time, but as they get there, we're excited to continue to work with more founders and go through their journey with them. In summary, we've grown our reach by 3 times over the last year. We've opened 2 new office locations. We've grown our assets under management by almost 10x. We had 500% growth in applications, doubled our portfolio, expanded our offers, and moved beyond IoT for the first time. That took 2 hours last time, so I think you gotta hold me more responsible next time, just like you did this time. Anyway, that's all we have. Thank you very much for being here. This is really about the teams, and we're super excited to continue to work with incredible founders from all over the world. All the infrastructure, all the support, all the services, the programs, the capital that's being put in place is really about the founders. So please spend some time. All the founders are going to be outside. Have some drinks, have some snacks, and thank you all for coming.